how are you doing today? Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. If you have any question, just pop it in the comments. So how are you doing today? So this is our second video for our budget meal series of videos, and today we are going to make the chicken adobo with pineapple. I love pineapple combined with this chicken adobo because it really gives that nice sweetness, caramelized flavor, and the chicken adobo is so good because we sear them, we marinate them. The longer the chicken sits in that marinade, the better it will taste because it soaks up all that flavorings. But there is again an important step, which is searing the meat first, searing the chicken first, getting that nice golden brown seared outside, and then we added everything together. We put everything together. We add the rest of the marinade, the onion, the garlic. So this is wonderful flavor to make your chicken adobo with pineapple. So let's go ahead and start. Since this is a budget meal, I got a really good deal on those chicken. Now they are chicken drumsticks and they're bigger pieces, so I cut them in half. Now the bottom part of that chicken, I'm going to make chicken broth. I added them to a stock pot. I'm going to add the water and make some broth. Now let's marinate the chicken. Add garlic powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, a little bit of brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, and some tomato paste. Now you're going to toss everything to coat well. Marinate the chicken for at least an hour. Overnight will be better. For the meantime, let's brown our pineapple. You're searing the pineapple for about a minute or two on each side. Now once they're done, you remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now we're going to brown the chicken. In a hot pan, you add the chicken and brown them for about 2-3 minutes on each side. You're not cooking them all the way through. You just want this nice searing. Once they're done, remove them from the pan. Now add the onion into the pan and caramelize. Now add garlic and stir. Now you're going to add the chicken back into the pan. And the remaining marinade, you're going to add it into the pan also. Then add a little bit of chicken broth. Add your bay leaves, and you're gonna cover and simmer until the chicken cooked through. Now, once the chicken reaches the internal temperature of 165, then they're done. Now you add the slurry. Slurry is a combination of cornstarch and water, so you dissolve the cornstarch into the water and it helps thicken the sauce. Okay, my lovelies, that was easy enough and surely budget friendly. So you're gonna have a really nice dinner with this chicken adobo with pineapple. Again, all the recipes, you'll find it on my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.